Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I'm bringing y'all another synthetic slay. So the wig that I'm bringing you guys today is by Model. It's called Triple Barrel Curl 020 and I have it in the color number 2. This is what the stock card looks like. Y'all know my light be tripping. It's an ear-to-ear lace front wig with a 5-inch deep lace part. So like the wig in my last video, it's not full lace, it's just the part. So you could either wear it to the middle or you could shift it to either side that you prefer. But if you're interested in this wig, then keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I'm gonna keep putting y'all on to these synthetic wigs, period. So once again, the only con that I have with this wig is that it's not big head friendly. I don't know if it's just my head or if I'm not doing something right, but all these wigs be super tight on me. Maybe it's because I got a lot of hair, but that's like the only con that I have. Other than that, it's nothing you could tell me about this wig. This is one of the first crimp style wigs that I ever seen that was out, and a lot of other companies just start coming out with theirs, but it's like a staple wig for me.